Hello everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows the 11th of June 2026 preview update KB5095093 if it's not installing on your computer. Let's get started. First, we'll restart the Windows Update services. Click on the Windows search box, type Services, and open the Services app. Scroll down and find App Readiness. Double-click on it, change the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, then click Start if the button is available, and finally click OK. After that, right-click on App Readiness and choose Restart. Next, locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also known as BITS. Double-click on it, set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, click Start if available, and then click OK. Right-click on the service and select Restart. Now scroll further down and find Windows Update. Double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, click Start if available, then click OK. Finally, right-click the Windows Update service and choose Restart. Once you've completed these steps, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Retry or Install if the option appears. Check whether the update installs successfully. If the update still doesn't install, try refreshing Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Pause Updates, wait a few seconds, and then click Resume Updates. That's all for today's video. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the Windows 11 KB5095093 not installing problem. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to RS Computer Solutions for more Windows 11 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and the latest technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.